In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to prototype in Figma. First, open your design in Figma. Before you start prototyping, make sure each screen is inside a frame. Frames are Figma's version of artboards, and prototypes navigate from frame to frame. If you see groups in your layers panel instead of frames, convert them so each screen is a proper frame. Keep screen sizes consistent to avoid unexpected jumps during transitions. A quick check. Click a screen and look in the left panel. It should say Frame, not Group. Now switch to the Prototype tab, or press Shift+E. This changes your cursor to show prototyping controls. Select an element you want to make interactive, like a button, and you'll see a small circular node on its right edge. Drag that connector arrow to the destination frame you want to navigate to. You can connect multiple elements to different frames, and you can also create a connection from the entire frame if you are simulating a full screen tap. Once a connection is made, the Interaction Details panel appears. Here, define how it behaves. Choose a trigger, such as on click for taps and clicks, on drag for things like carousels, or while hovering for hover states. Next, choose the action. Navigate to moves from one frame to another. Open Overlay is great for menus or dialogues that sit on top and back returns to the previous screen in your flow. Then pick an animation. Instant snaps immediately. Dissolve fades smoothly, and Smart Animate creates motion based on the differences between frames. Smart Animate works best when layer names and structure match across frames. So keep your layers tidy for the most natural transitions. With your interaction set, pick where the prototype should begin. Select your first frame, then in the Prototype panel find the Flow Starting Point section and click the plus icon. This tells Figma which screen to open first when you present the prototype, creating a clear, guided flow. You are ready to preview. Click the Present Play button in the top right toolbar. Your prototype opens in a new tab where you can click, drag, and hover through the experience exactly as a user would. If something doesn't feel right, switch back. Adjust the trigger, action, or animation, and present again until the flow matches your intent. That's it. Thanks for watching.